we're back. Let's open this thing up here.
Ooh.
See, the hot dogs are looking pretty good. We're going to roll them out again. Let's see, this time we're going to roll them over one more line here. Ooh, hot, 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 hot.
Hi.
There we go.
Hi.
Okay.
Hi.
Now look,
Hi.
the cook's assistant. All right. Well, as we stand around here waiting for these things to finish up, let's talk about something fun, like 300 plus degrees.
Yeah.
Hey, look it. I'm not the funniest guy on YouTube. I'm not the cutest guy on YouTube. And I'm not the youngest guy on YouTube. But I am this. I am the only one on this entire planet who does something that nobody else does.
Like
Well,
what?
no, you know what? I really shouldn't say that. There is one other person. You might say he's my cohort. I've lost track of him. If you're out there in YouTube land there, Mr. Jude, you need to get a hold of me. Mr. Jude. You know who I'm talking to when I'm talking about Mr. Jude. Mr. Jude. Hey, let's go back to cooking. All right. You know, Mr. Jude was an excellent barbecuer. We used
Yes,
to have
he
a lot of fun when they were out at his place out there in Pennsylvania. Woo, hot! Okay. Woohoo! Got to change hands there before I lose this one. All right, about another minute, and we got some grilled hot dogs here. All right. Anyway, I'm glad you're taking the time. This is the fun way to cook. Beautiful day, probably about 85 degrees out now. Cool breeze coming in out of the east. I hear a car door slamming. Let's see who this is here.